Hello and welcome to lecture 6. This time I'm gonna teach you about how to draw various angles of characters' head. There are just 3 types of head that mainly used when you draw some artwork. That is 45-degree head, straightforward to audience, and the side of head. Every type would begin with this oval shape, but difference in the center line position. For 45 degrees, drag center line at the side of oval like this. This type draw center line at the middle. And this side of head, the center line is at the border of oval shape. So just divide the center line like this. Now when you're going to sketch the details of face, please begin with specify the face shape. And you will know where to put face element after that. The face elements put on the line we divide from center line. I suggest you to draw eyes first. So far so good. Thank you everybody to join my class. See you in next lecture. Goodbye.